Kelly, I honestly can't believe I get to marry the girl of my dreams today. Meeting you 6 years ago changed my life forever. You were my angel that brought happiness, hope, and love back into my life.
Hard to find what is true.
So, Tom, marriage.
Yes.
Marriage is what brings us together today. I often still pinch myself that you will be my husband. You are smart, fun, kind, and have the biggest heart. I feel so fortunate that one day our kids will have all those amazing qualities. You're going to be the best dad.
Not many people can say that they look up to their little sister. She is the most loving, generous, helpful, inspirational person that I know, and I am proud to say she is my best friend.
I feel so lucky to have a big sister like you. Ask anyone in the family, and you'll hear that she really is the one that remembers birthdays and anniversaries,
Values her friendships,
and ensures that those close to her know just how much she loves them.
I'm just so proud of the woman that you've become. I'm just so happy that you call me Dad, and I love you so much. And Tom, you are the luckiest guy in the world.
You look so beautiful. This is it. I have never been more sure in my life about anything than I am that marrying you is the best decision of my life.
So what do you say, Thomas Carlson? Should we do the damn?
Let's do the damn thing.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Tom, you may kiss your bride.
I could not be happier for Tom that he found the girl of his dreams in Kelly. They make a great couple, and Kelly seems to have the innate ability to straighten Tom out when he gets a wild hair. Let me tell you, that's not an easy task.
Always be kind to each other. Listen to each other. Do not take each other for granted. Love each other with all your heart, and always remember the vows you made today.